Friendship. Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Anna and Sarah. They had been friends since childhood, and their bond had only grown stronger over the years. They shared everything with each other, from their deepest secrets to their wildest dreams. One day, as they were sitting on a bench in the park, Anna turned to Sarah and said, "You know, Sarah, I don't know what I would do without you. You're my best friend in the whole world." Sarah smiled and replied, "I feel the same way, Anna. You're the sister I never had." The two friends continued to chat, enjoying the warm sunshine and the sound of birds chirping. As they talked, they realized how important their friendship was to them. They had been through so much together, and they knew that they could always count on each other, no matter what. As they were about to leave the park, Sarah turned to Anna and said, "Hey, do you remember that time we got lost in the woods when we were kids?" Anna chuckled. "How could I forget? We were so scared, but we stuck together and we found our way out." "That's the thing about our friendship," Sarah said. "We always stick together, no matter what." Anna nodded. "You're right, and I wouldn't want it any other way." Over the years, Anna and Sarah continued to support each other through the ups and downs of life. They went to college together, celebrated each other's successes, and comforted each other during times of sadness. One day, Sarah called Anna, sounding upset. "What's wrong?" Anna asked. "I just got into a huge fight with my boyfriend," Sarah replied. "I don't know what to do." Anna listened patiently as Sarah vented her frustrations. Then she said, "You know what? Why don't you come over? We can watch movies and eat junk food and forget about everything else for a little while." Sarah's voice brightened. "That sounds great. Thanks, Anna." As they hung up, Anna smiled to herself. She knew that their friendship was strong enough to weather any storm. As the years passed, Anna and Sarah faced new challenges. They both got jobs, started families, and faced the struggles that come with adult life. But through it all, they never lost sight of what was truly important: their friendship. One day, Sarah called Anna with exciting news. "Guess what?" she said. "I just got a promotion at work." Anna could hear the excitement in Sarah's voice, and she couldn't help but feel proud of her friend. "That's amazing, Sarah. I am so happy for you." "I couldn't have done it without you," Sarah said. "You've always been my biggest supporter." Anna smiled. "And you have been mine. That's what best friends are for, right?" As the conversation continued, Anna couldn't help but think about how grateful she was to have Sarah in her life. She knew that their friendship was something special, something that would last a lifetime. As they hung up, Sarah said, "I love you, Anna." Anna replied, "I love you too, Sarah, always and forever." And with those words, the two friends knew that their bond would never be broken. In the end, Anna and Sarah's friendship proved to be the most important thing in their lives. They knew that no matter what challenges they faced, they could always count on each other for support and love. As they sat together on a bench in the park, watching the sun set over the horizon, Anna turned to Sarah and said, "You know what? I think we're going to be friends forever." Sarah grinned. "I know we will." And with that, the two friends hugged each other tightly, knowing that their friendship was something that would never fade away. Years later, as Anna and Sarah looked back on their lives, they realized that their friendship had been the most important thing they had ever had. They had laughed together, cried together, and faced the challenges of life together. They had been there for each other through thick and thin, and their bond had only grown stronger over time. As they sat together on a park bench once again, watching their children play in the distance, Anna turned to Sarah and said, "You know, I don't think I could have made it this far without you." Sarah smiled. "Same here. You've been my rock through all of life's ups and downs." Anna nodded. "That's what best friends are for." And so, as the sun set on another day, Anna and Sarah sat together in silence, knowing that their friendship would continue to be the most important thing in their lives. They knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would face them together, just as they had always done. Because that's what best friends are for. The end. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.